Good morning, students. As you know, everyone, my name is Raman Kumar. I am going to teach you subject Maths, class 10, first chapter, real numbers. We completed up to 5th problem yesterday. Now I am going to explain you 6th problem. Now see the 6th problem. What is the 6th problem? What is the 6th problem? If log of x plus y by 3 is equals to 1 by 2 of log x plus log y, then find the value of x by y plus y by x. You need to find out the value of that. See here, so concentrate on the question. Is given in this condition. By using this statement, it's an equation. By using this equation, why? Because equal symbol is right. So this equation, we need to find out this value x by y plus y by x value. We need to find out. So, what is the given? Given that log of x plus y by 3 is equals to 1 by 2 log x plus log y. This is given. So, observe clearly, this statement is given. How do you see this 1 by 2 is right? This 1 by 2, this is a division. This you transpose here. So, what you will get? 2 log of x plus y by 3 is equals to log x plus log y. See, this 2 I transported, it is a division. If you transport, it will multiply. That's why. So now, clearly observe it from this 2 is the right. So we have the formula. The formula I am writing is m log x to base a. You can write it as a log x base a to the power of m. This will come as in front of the power rule. So that formula applies, power rule. So power rule means what you will write? Log, open the bracket, x plus y by 3 whole to the power of 2. This 2 will come in. Is equals to log x plus log y. So here also you can observe what is the product rule. So what can you write? Log of x plus y by 3 whole square is equals to log x y. You can write power rule. What is the power? So log x to base a plus log y base a is equals to log xy to base a. So now you can cancel log get cancelled. So what can you write here is x plus y by 3 whole square is equals to xy. See, the square I am applying for numerator and denominator. So what can you write? X plus y whole square by 3 square is equals to xy. Right? So now we need to apply that x plus y a plus b whole square formula. This I am writing here is observing. So a square means x square plus y square plus 2xy by 3 3s are 9 is equals to x1. Is it clear? Then observe it. This 9 is dividing. You transport. So this is your transporting. It will multiply. X square plus y square plus 2xy is equals to 9xy. Simple thing. Now this plus 2xy you are transport here. So what you will write? X square plus y square is equals to 9xy. This you transport minus 2xy. Plus is there, transport minus. So you can write x square plus y square is equals to, these two are like terms. See, x, y, power also same. This power is 2, this power is 2. So you can subtract 9 minus 2, 7xy. So 7xy, clearly right? Now this is xy is multiplying to 7, then you transport here. It will divide x square plus y square upon xy is equals to 7. So what you will write? X square by xy plus y square by xy is equals to 7. See, this x square is nothing but you can write it as a x into x by xy plus y into y by xy is equals to 7. So 1x x y y. So x by y plus y by x is equals to 7. So what is the answer here is 7. We got the answer is x by y plus y by x. X by y by x is equals to 7. So I am showing you clearly, concentrate on it. This is a very important problem. One by one. Then after I written here is the one by one. Step by step. Arrow marks also I kept. So you can understand multiplication, division number you are transporting there, it will multiplication. Addition number you are transporting there. Left hand side to right hand side, it's a subtraction. Then multiplication, right side to left hand, it's a division. So one by one. So answer is what? 7. You got it clearly. Is it clear? I hope everyone understood this one clearly. I hope. I will show you clearly this. It's a very important now. I will go for 7th problem now. What is the 7th problem? If 2.3 all to the power of x is equals to 0.33 all to the power of y is equals to 1000, then find the value of 1 by x minus 1 by. We need to find out that value 1 by x minus 1 by y. So here also concentrate on this statement thinking. Means that equation, that both are equal is given. From that you need to find out 1 by x minus 1 by y. So let me write that. Given that 2.3 all to the power of x is equals to 0.23 all to the power of y is equals to 1000. So 2.3 all to the power of x is equals to 1000. You can write 0.23 all to the power of y is equals to 1000. Also can write. This This is equals to 1000 only, again this is equals to 1000. So that's why it is separate. So here is what I am doing it 2.3 volt to the power of x. This is, you can write it as 1010 to the power of 3. Then here also observe it 0.23 volt to the power of y. You can write it as 10 to the power of 3. So this x is the right, this x I am transporting. So 2.3 is equals to 10 to the power of 3 volt to the power of 1 by x it will come if we are transporting to them. Then here also 0.23 is equals to 10 to the power of 3 volt to the power of 1 by y. This y you are transporting 1 by y. So let me write 2.3 is equals to 10 to the power of this 3 you are multiplying to 1 by x, so 3 by x. You will get 3 by x, 10 to the power of 3 by x. Then 0.23 is equals to 10 to the power of, this is also 3 by. See, here is a very important you need to understand clearly. Here only the problem you will get. The 2.3, right? 2.3. This decimal point you are writing as a fraction. So you will write 23 by 10 is equals to 10 to the power of 3 by x. Then here also you can write it as a 0.23 by 100 is equals to 10 to the power of 3 by 3. Then this 10 is dividing, it will transport, it will multiply. So you will write 23 is equals to 10 to the power of 3 by x into 10 to the power of 1. Nothing but you are transporting 10 to the power of 1, nothing but 10 only. Then similarly, here also you can write 23 is equals to 10 to the power of 3 by y into, this is 10 square unit. So nothing but 100, right? 100 you are transporting 10 square. And we know clearly what is that? We know the bases are same, you can add the powers. The bases are same, you can add the powers. Because of that, 23 is equals to 10 to the power of 3 by x plus 1 you can write. Then here also 23 is equals to 10 to the power of 3 by y plus 2. Right? So let me write, this is I am taking as equation 1 and equation 2. Right? So I written clearly 1 by 1, you need to understand that is equation 1 and it is the equation. Now from equation 1 and 2, from equation 1 and 2, from equation 1 and 2, what can you write that? 10 to the power of 3 by x plus 1 is equals to 10 to the power of 3 by y plus equal you can write. Why? Because observe it, this total value is 23 and this total value also 23, right? 23 is equals to 23. Because of that I am writing from equation 1 and 2, I written both are equal. If the bases are equal, then powers also will be the equal, we know that one. If the bases are equal, then their powers also will be equal. So what can you write? 3 by x plus 1 is equals to 3 by y plus 2. So 3 by x, this is I am transporting, minus 3 by y is equals to, here is a 2 here, 2 plus 1 you are transporting, minus 1. So observe it, numerator 3 is there, so you can take 3 common. So what you will write, 1 by x minus 1 by y is equals to 1. Then this 3 you are transporting to there, so 1 by x minus 1 by y is equals to 1 by y. So this will be our answer. What's the answer there? 1 by x minus 1 by y is equals to 1 by 3 is our answer. So I will show you clearly one by one. You can see that I am showing you. Observe it. So from equation 1 and 2 you can write that 10 to the power of 3 by x plus 1 is equals to 10 to the power of 3 by y plus 2. If the bases are equal, then their powers also will be the equal. So from that I am writing that 3 by x plus 1 is equals to 3 by y plus 2 is equals to, you are writing 3 by x minus 3 by y is equals to 2 minus 1. So you are taking 3 common, 1 by x minus 1 by y is equals to 1. So 1 by x minus 1 by y is equals to 1 by 3. So this will be the total answer. I will show you clearly. You can understand it. The 7th problem. So this is the 7th problem, right? I explained 6th and 7th. Now I am going to explain you 8th problem. So try to concentrate on it. This. If 2 to the power of x plus 1 is equals to 3 to the power of 1 minus x, then find the value of x. We need to find out the value of x. See what is the question is given, 2 to the power of x plus 1 is equals to 3 to the power of 1 by x. So is given. So what I am doing is I am applying log on both sides. Given that 2 to the power of x plus 1 is equals to 3 to the power of 1 minus x. I am applying log on both sides. Apply log on both sides. So what do you like? Log 2 to the power of x plus 1 is equals to log 3 to the power of 1 minus x. The power rule, right? See, we have power rule. According to the power rule, what you will write here is x plus 1 into log 2 is equals to x minus, 1 minus x into log power rule. According to the power rule, what is the power rule? Log base a to x to the power of m into log x to base a. So according to that I written. Simple. This x you need to multiply x into log 2, x log 2 plus 1 into log 2, log 2 is equals to 1 into log 3, log 3 minus x into log 3, x log 3. So it's a clear, try to understand it. Then observe it, then x log 2, x log 2. This is a minus x log 3 there, right? That I am transporting to here, right? So this is I am transporting to here. So minus is there, transport plus x log 3 is equals to log 3, this 2 you transport it, minus log 2. See, observe it, in this 2 you have x common. Here is x, here is x. So let me take x common. So what you will write? Log 2 plus log 3 is equals to log 3 minus log. Is it clear, everyone? So very important, you need to understand clearly. Then we know that this is the x. X is equals to log 3 minus log 2 upon, this is multiplying this total bracket, so you are transporting to there. So you can write log 2 plus log 2. So this will be the your answer. X is equals to log 3 minus log 2 by log 2 plus log 3. So once you concentrate on it, see, I will show you clearly to you total solution. Given that 2 to the power of x plus 1 is equals to 3 to the power of 1 minus x. Apply log on both sides. So after applying the log, and we are applying the power rule. Power rule multiplication, x log 2 plus 1 log 2. 1 log 3 minus x log 3. Then x log 2, you are transporting that minus x log 3 there to here. So concentrate on this problem, it's easy to you. Then 8th one. So now I would like to explain to that 9th problem. What is the 9th problem? Is log 2 rational or irrational? Justify your answer. Log 100 is rational or irrational? Justify your answer. Is given this. Next one is first one log 2 rational or irrational. Justify your answer. Justify your answer. See that log 2 is rational, irrational. See, let me that the value we don't know, right? Let log 2 value I am taking as x. I told you clearly in the beginning that if the base, if you do not have anything, you need to consider as a base 10. So log base 2 to log 2 base 10 is equals to x. This value we don't know, right? So that's it. Now what I am doing is this base to log base 10 I am transporting to this. So it will become 2 is equals to 10 to the power of x. 2 is equals to 10 to the power of x. See, this 2 can you write in the 10 to the power of x? Is it possible to you? It's impossible to you, right? 2 you cannot write as in the form of 10 to the power of anything. 2 we cannot express as 10 to the power of x. So therefore, what you will write? Log 2 is an irrational number. Simple you can tell, is an irrational. Because of that reason only you are writing log 2 is an irrational number. Similarly, what is the second question? It's given second question. What is the second question? Log 100 rational number, rational or irrational, rational or irrational. Justify your answer. Justify your answer. Justify your answer. Right? So solution. So similar. Let log 100 to base 10. I told you if it is not there, you need to take as it. That value we don't know. That's why I am taking as a x. Is it clear? So this is your transporting. This is your transporting according to the rule. So 100 is equals to 10 to the power of x. Okay, right? So this 10 you are transporting, then it will become 10 to the power of x. 100 you can write it as a 10 square is equals to 10 to the power of x. We know that one. What is the x value now? If the bases are equal, then their powers also will be the equal. If the bases are equal, then their powers also will be equal. So according to that, what can you write? 2 is equals to x. We got the 2 is rational number, irrational number. We know that 2 is a rational number. 2 is rational number. We know that 2 is rational number. Therefore, you can tell that log 100 also a rational number. Therefore, you can tell that log 100 is a rational number. It's also a rational number. Right? So, here is, first concentrate on these two problems. So, he asked you so many times. Is log 2 rational number or irrational number? Justify your answer. Log 2 log base 2 is equals to x. So 2 is equals to 10 to the power of x. 2 we cannot express as 10 to the power of x. Therefore you retain that log 2 is an irrational number. Similarly, second problem. What is the second problem? Log 100 rational or irrational? Justify your answer. So I explained that log 100 to base 10 is equals to x. So 100 is equals to 10 to the power of x. Then 10 square is equals to 10 to the power of x. And bases are equal, then their powers also will be the equal. So equal. Then 2 is equals to x. 2 is a rational number. Therefore log 100 is a rational number. So, homework I explained the previous problem. If x square plus y square is equals to 6xy, prove that 2 log of x plus y is equals to log x plus log y plus 3 log 2. This is the homework to do. This problem you can do easily. This is similar to exercise 5th problem. 5th exercise 5th problem. Similar to you that. So I hope you will do this problem and complete the chapter and send in the homework group in the PDF file.
Good morning, children. Very good morning, everybody. Okay, we will discuss about the world during the world wars. The world during the world wars. Okay, I told you 2 world wars were happened in 20th century. 2 world wars were happened. The first world war and the second world war. And also in the previous class I told you about the first world war. What happened? Allied powers got a victory. Allied powers got a victory. That means England, France, Russia, USA got a victory. That we have discussed. And war was completed in 1918. Now you know that the war was completed. After that, what happened? You see, the Russian Revolution, the Russian Socialist Revolution. What is the Russian Socialist Revolution? Socialist means, what is the meaning of socialist or socialism? Socialism or a socialist? What is that means? The wealth is shared equally for all the people. What is the wealth is there? That should be shared equally for all the people. And you see, in the Russia, socialist government was established. Before establishing the socialist government, a lot of revolutions were happening. In 1917, the revolution was started, and in 1922, it was ended. Now I am going to tell you about this one. You see, here in the previous class, only I told you, the Russian revolution was started, and the women, 10,000 women came outside, and they fought for the peace and for their bread, and everybody should get a work. We should get work, and also we should get peace, and we should get a bread. Further they fought, and so army and everybody supported. And Nicholas II was started. Nicholas II wanted to stop them. So what happened? The army also supported this revolutionarily. So like that, Nicholas went off to event somewhere. After that, what happened? I told you, provincial government was established. So with a few people, the ruling was established with the provincial government. And here you see, in October 1917, the provincial government also is not maintaining properly. There are also some economical problems were happened. Economical problems and economical crisis was happened. Here you see, in October 1917, a revolution was happened. Again, a big revolution was happened. All the Soviets means what? Soviets means Russian people. All the Soviets means Russia people. All the Russia people did the revolution. In this you see, soldiers, peasants, workers, industrial people, traders, merchants, everybody, labor, everybody became, even women also became one. So in this revolution, in October 1917, again one revolution was happened, big revolution was happened. What happened you see there? All the Soviet people will call as Soviets as a Russia. We will call Soviet as a Russia people. So what happened? This big revolution, that everybody, all the people have joined in the Russian revolution. What is that? Soldiers, the Russian soldiers, they joined. And industrialist people, the industrialist people joined in that. The workers, labor joined, farmers, peasants, artisans, everybody, women, everybody joined in the revolution, and they fought for their economical conditions and also for their bread. Everybody fought, and big revolution was happened. At that time only, all are fighting. Everybody are fighting against the government, that we want bread, we want employment. At that time only, what happened? One common party started, and that common party is called as, a common party was established at that time only, and that common party name was Bolshevik party. Okay, listen here. A common party name was Bolshevik party. A Bolshevik party was established. The Bolshevik party was established, and the founder of this Bolshevik party, Vladimir Lenin. His name is Vladimir Lenin. You see, I will tell you the story. A common party was established, and the common party, the party name was Bolshevik party. The party name was a Bolshevik party, and the founder of this party, who is the founder who established the party, the Bolshevik party was established by the Vladimir Lenin. We will call him as a Lenin. Lenin has established this party, and you see, he has established in 1870, and up to 1924 he was there. And you see, I am going to tell you about Lenin, what he has told, everywhere they are fighting. So he told that if everybody support me, this Lenin has told in 1970. He told that if everybody support me, you see, if everybody support me, I'll make the peace and I'll make the stable government. Means you see, in those times the governments are not strong. The governments are not strong. Everybody they are ruling and they are quitting the government. So he told that I'll make peace and I'll make permanent government. And one thing he told that for the peasants, for the agriculture farmers, he told that nationalization. I'll do all the lands nationalization means all the agriculture lands in Russia. All the agriculture lands in the Russia I'm going to do government. I'll undertake the government. He told that if you vote me, if you support me, all the lands what are there in the Russia, the lands I'm going to do nationalization. Nationalization means government only will take undertaken. And also he told that factories also today, how many factories are there? That factories also are going to be nationalized. Means I am going to undertake that one nationalization. He told that means I am going to undertake the factories and I am going to take the lands also. Nationalization I am going to do, government I am going to do, he told. And also he told that. So what happened? You see, everybody supported him. Why? Because here you see in the Russia you see 60% of the people they are not having lands. All the lands are with the landlords and the feudal lords. Feudal lords means landlords. So what happened? All the people have supported this person. Why? Because he told that whoever working in the industries and I am going to do nationalization means the person who is working he is also will be a part of owner to that one. So everybody supported this Bolshevik party. Lenin, they have supported for this Lenin. And also you see here this person and our soldiers also supported for this Bolshevik party. And what he did, he attacked the government. And at that time provisional government was there and the provisional government was removed. And what happened? You see provisional government was removed and the socialist party has came. And you see socialist party has came and also Lenin became the president of Russia. And he told that nationalization of land and nationalization of factories. So what happened? Everybody supported this person and what happened? Everybody, total peasants means farmers, industrial people, merchants, educated people, women, and you see workers, everybody supported them. And like that what happened? You see, he attacked the government and with this what happened? The government was collapsed. And this Lenin has established the government, that is socialist government he has established. Socialist government is nothing but communist government he established. After that, after establishing, you see what he did. He confiscated all the industries. He has confiscated all the industries and also he has confiscated all the lands. Means he has taken all the lands. All the lands are government only and all the factories are government only. So he has confiscated. He took all the lands, he took all the factories. He took all the factories. And how? You see, he did a socialism. It's now example I tell you, one village is there. You take one village. In one village, you see, in one village, here, what is that? In one village, 500 members are there. In one village, 500 members are the farmers are there. And how much land is there? The total land that 500 members will do the agriculture. After doing the agriculture, they will sell the products. And they will sell the products in the market. And what the profit they got, some they will keep for the raw material. And totally this money is equally distributed for all the 5 members. Like that, equal. Means there, nobody should tell that it's my land. The persons who are working in that land, they can tell that it's my land. Everybody are owners. Who are working in lands, who are working as agriculture in the lands, they can tell that it's my land, it's our land. So like that, you see, and profit was distributed for all the 5 members. Even owners also should take equal partnership. Why? Because the government has taken all the lands from all the people. It took all the lands and like that everywhere, in each and every villages, how much lands are there? That all lands were taken by the government. And how many members are doing agriculture? And after selling in the market, what the profit they got that everybody started sharing equally. That's what they did. And also industries also. Industries means capitalist. Who are the capitalists? Means the owner of industries. You see here, the owner of industry is called as capitalist. You see, the owner of industry is called as capitalist. The owner of industry is called as capitalist. So, lot of industry owners were there. All the industries were taken by the government, by the Lenin. He took all the industries, and what he did, suppose one industry is there, and he has taken that industry. Suppose in that industry 100 members are workers. 100 members are workers. So what he did, the 100 members should manufacture the goods and they should sell in the market. And what the money they got, they should equally they should share like that. They should keep some amount for the raw material. They should keep amount from some raw material. And what are the rest of the money? Everybody should equally they can take that money. Profit they can take everybody equally. So like that it did. So that you see there is no owner now. All the industries, for that all the industries only government is owner. For all the lands government only owner. Who are working? Whoever works in that, they should take compulsory equal share. Equal share means equal profit for all the people. Now I am the industrial owner. I should also work in that industry and I should also take equally with the labor. Like that it is. Why? Because it is communist party and some people told that I will not do industries, I will not do the lands. Some people who told, but then they killed, the government killed the people, and some people they arrested and they kept in the jail. And like that, they with the fear, everybody gave their lands, everybody gave the factories, and that all factories and all the lands became government one. And who are working in that, they got equal shares. Like that, socialism we did. And everybody, you see, everybody were against to that Russia. Why? Because you see, socialism is good. Socialism is good. And some countries like US, you see USA and USA, England, Germany, everybody were anti to this communism, anti to the communism. But in the Russia, equal. Today you see all are equal there. Wealth is equal everybody. So you see today the Lenin, will call and tell you Lenin is a socialist person. Till today you see, and you believe or not, but what it is till today. You see, 65 years completed, even though today his party only will come, Labour Party, Lenin's party only will come, and single party only is there, no multi-party there. And he has told that you see here, and he has been USSR means you see, United, you see here, United Socialist Soviet Russia, United Socialist Soviet Russia. You see here, what is the full form? They'll ask you, USSR. What is the USSR? USSR, Union of Soviet Socialist Russia. Union of Soviet Socialist Russia. Union of Soviet Socialist Russia. We will call Soviet people. Soviet means Russia. You see, Soviet means Russia people. We will call as Soviet means Russia people. So some places which are there that were all became union, and he made all the people union, and he kept the name USSR. And this USSR was ruled by the Lenin, and it is a socialist party. One thing I'll tell you, till today, only the Labour Party is coming, and that to Lenin's party only is coming. Why? Because he did great thing at that time. He took all the lands, he took all the industries, and those who are working in industry, they are also equal share they should take. Those who are working in agriculture land, equal profit they should take. Like that he did, and it's a communist party. And next one you see here, after you see he's ruling everything and he developed. Next one you see the rise of Stalin. You see rise of Stalin here. You see the rise of Stalin, and you see 1924. So the rise of Stalin. You see the rise of Stalin 1924. The rise of Stalin 1924. And you see here the Russia has established communist government. Communist and socialist both are same. The communist and the socialist both are same. And you see here what happened. The Lenin has started one 5-year plan. He has started one 5-year plan. 5-year plan. What is 5-year plan? Means 5 years they will plan that only. 5 years they will develop that only. So first country has established the 5-year plan. 5-year plan. Russia has established the 5-year plan in 1928. The 5-year plan was established in 1928. What he has to two main. What are that? I should develop industries, industrialization and agriculture. What is that? Industrialization. And you see here industrialization and also here you see industrialization and agriculture you want to do. And main thing you see he has developed industries. He has developed the industries and also agriculture. That's why you see I told you he has to call the lands. And he has to call the factories, and he has confiscated all the lands, he has confiscated all the factories, and those who are working and equally they should share their profit. He did that one. And also with the 5-year plans, lot of development was happened in Russia. Industries were developed and also agriculture was developed. And another one you see, he has established, he has generated employment, hospitals he has constructed, colleges he has established, roads, buildings, everything was done by these people. And also old age homes also he has did, that is about that one. And you see with the 5-year plan, lot of development was happening. Lot of development means industries he has developed, agriculture he has developed, and he has thrown out from the economical crisis. Means his country has came back again with the economical development, and he has solved the problem of economy. He solved the problem of economy. And you see the impact of Russian Revolution. What is the impact of Russian Revolution? You see the impact of Russian Revolution in the world. Effect you see here. You see in the Russia Communist Party. Communist Party means Socialist Party. Communist Party means what? Socialist Party. And you see everywhere some countries they did not like Germany and England and USA did not like the Communist Party. Here you see Communist Party means taking all and distributing equally. They did not like that type of government, and that's why they kept this Russia side. All the countries kept Russia side. If we make a friendship, our countries also people will tell that same we should do. That's why they made the Russia side. But some countries made side. But our India, if you take our India, what M.N. Roy, Rabindranath Tagore, and Nehru, Jawaharlal Nehru. You see M.N. Roy and Rabindranath Tagore and Jawaharlal Nehru, they were appreciated the Communist Party in the Russia. They preferred that one, they liked that one. Okay, Communist Party is very good. The Communist Party and the Socialist Party is very good, giving equal for all the people. But one thing they did not like, what is that? Taking all the capitalism, taking all that one and distributing, they did not like that. But they are encouraged, they were happy with the Socialist Party, and that is about it. You see, that's why in the book it is there. M.N. Roy, Tagore and Jawaharlal Nehru supported the Communist Party, Socialist Party, but they did not like taking all the properties from the, taking all the factories and lands that was, they did not like that one. And you see here Russia means you see ideas of equality. Here you see what the Russia did. Equality everywhere, economy equal, all are equal, and liberalization, freedom, freeness. You see, Russian government has given equality, all the people, equality in the wealth, liberalization, free and freedom in this government he has given. But what did you see here? No multi-party. Today I tell you, in our India, lot of parties are there, like Congress party is there, BJP is there, and you see Janata Dal party is there. So lot of parties are there in India and in the states also. But in Russia only one party. And Russia only one party, that is Labour Party, and that Labour Party is Lenin's only. Labour Party, Lenin's only. From 1917 to up to this 2020, only Labour Party is only coming. Only one party there, multi-party is not there. Only single party is ruling, and single party only is there, political party in Russia. That's why one judge has told that it is an animal form. Why? Because no another party. Only one party is there, and that party only will win. And I told you why that party will win. Why that party will win, I told you. Why? Because there the people will never forget.